I know I'd go back to you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been forever since I posted a video. I'm so sorry if you've watched any of my kind of latest ones that I posted kind of randomly here and there. I got really sick, so as I'm speaking I can only hear out of this ear, but I got my Grove Collaborative in for the month of December, so I'm really excited to bring this haul to you guys and show you what I got. Last month was my first month getting a Grove Collaborative, and I really loved it a lot. I really liked the products. A lot of the items that I have to use have to be hypoallergenic, and a lot of these items were that or didn't bother me with I have like a really bad fragrance allergy. I'll get migraines and stuff, and none of this stuff did. A lot of it is obviously plant-based and good for the earth. So I'm not sponsored by Grove in any way or anything like that, or obligated to make this video, but it's just something that I definitely believe in and enjoy bringing to you guys because I enjoy it so much myself. So here is my box. So you can see it's pretty big. My last box I think was bigger, but I bought more items this time, so I think they just kind of stuffed everything in this little bit smaller box. But so I did receive a few free items this month, and it's always nice because they do usually throw in a free item here and there. But I got 2 free items. One item I just got because it was like grab your free item now kind of a situation. And then the other item I got for free I got because I spent over, I think it was $50. So yeah, let's go ahead and just jump into it. Like I said, I think I spent a total of like $52-ish on this, but we were needing a bunch of stuff. I have gone completely through like my surface cleaner that I bought the last time. It was the Lavender Mrs. Meyer's, so I did get some more of that, but in a different scent. Okay, I was wrong. I got 3 free items actually, not just 2. So I'll go ahead and I'll start with my free items that I got this month. And the one that I'm probably the most excited about, honestly, is this one right here. And it's the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day lavender scent. Of course, I'm just warning you, a lot of the stuff I got was lavender scent. The Mrs. Meyer's lavender scent is so good. It smells amazing. But this is the room refresher. It says it's non-aerosol and it's made with essential oils. And it smells really awesome. The bottle is not huge, but it's not tiny either. You can see in comparison to like my hand how big it is. But it smells awesome. It's 8 ounces, so it's an 8-ounce bottle, and it's just like an air room freshener, but it smells so good. I got this for free. I don't know why I got it for free. I think again, it was just one of those like you get a couple free items kind of a thing. So I got this for free, and then I got an email that just said that to go and claim my free lip balm, and so I did it, of course, something for free I can add to my cart. So I went and did that. So this was free. It did not cost me anything. And this is by Grove Collaborative. And it's the Mint and Argan, I hope I said that right, lip balm with hydrating chia seed oil. And it's in the 0.15 ounce. So it comes in like a box like this. And just says supremely hydrating, ultra moisturizing, made with argan, chia seeds, coconut oil. Our lip balm provides a dose of antioxidants and essential fatty acids for healthy, beautiful lips. Apply, reapply, and repeat. It does say that it is organic. It's made in the USA. So this is what it looks like. I took it out last night and I used it. And one thing about me and my sensitive skin and everything, my hypoallergenic thing, I break out really bad on my chin depending on what I put on my lips, which I know is super weird, but I did kind of figure out a while back that certain things I put on my lips will break my chin out. So we'll see. I'm gonna give it a try and we'll see if it breaks me out. I'm hoping that it doesn't. It smells really good. It smells really strongly, just like mint. So yeah, I'm excited that I got that. So I got this for free. And then the last item that I got for free actually has a bunch of stuff in it. So let me kind of dump it out here. And some of you guys, if you watched my last Grove collaborative haul, you're gonna be like, why does she need another one of these? And I really don't, but I can always use it. Because I spent over $50, they sent me another one of these cleaning caddies, and it just says Grove Collaborative on one side, and then it's, if you didn't want it to show on the Grove Collaborative side, it's got just kind of a blank side. And last month I got the really pretty one that had the pomegranates on it, and I almost bought another one I almost chose the pomegranate one again, because they have the pomegranate one, they have this one, and they have a white one. And I was like, well, I don't need two pomegranate ones, even though I really love it a lot. So I went ahead and chose the red, and I just figured that I keep my pomegranate one in there in my kitchen on the counter, and I actually keep all my cleaning stuff in it. That way when we need to like wipe down the counters or whatever, it's right there. So I thought maybe I could use this in my bathroom as my bathroom cleaners caddy. So that is what I will do. So yeah, I got another one of these for free for $50. If I remember correctly, last month, the thing that you got for free was like a little ceramic plate or something that you can put your cleaning products on top of. So I think every month they kind of switch it up, but yeah, so I got another one of these for free this month for spending over $50. All right, and the rest of the stuff is all stuff that I just flat out bought because we needed, or I wanted to try it. So this time I got some body care products, which I'm really excited about. That's the thing about Grove, is they don't just have cleaning products. They've got health products, like personal hygiene products. They've got pet products and all kinds of stuff. They've got vitamins, feminine products. You can just go through. I'll link the website below, but they have all kinds of different stuff. So I'll go ahead and start with this Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. And it is the limited edition seasonal scent. And so it's only around for a limited time. And I wouldn't have bought it. I would have bought it in lavender scent, but they were out of the lavender scent. And so I thought, it's a seasonal scent. It's December. It's Christmas. So I bought it, and it smells so good. I can't even explain to you how good it smells. It smells like Christmas. It smells, what is that called? You put it in on your stove in a pot, and I remember going over to a friend's house when I was a kid, and her mom had the pot on the stove. It had the water in it, and it had the orange, and she had like clove stuck all in the orange, and she just let it sit and simmer on the stove. It smells identical to that, which is probably, you guys are probably like, well, duh, it's called orange clove, but because it's called orange clove, and so it smells identical to orange clove. It smells amazing, so good. So if you see this, get it before it's gone, because man, it smells so good. I'm not sure I would want to use it if it wasn't the holidays, because it's definitely a holiday scent, but it smells amazing. I'm so excited to use this. Also, just kind of a review of the Mrs. Meyer's surface cleaner. The smell smells up the whole room. It smells really good, and I also feel like it's cleaning my surfaces in my kitchen really good. So I love the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose surface cleaner. Would highly recommend it. Okay, and the next, I'm kind of showing you guys the things that aren't lavender scent, because after this, everything is lavender scent after that, so I'm kind of keeping everything categorized. But I went ahead and chose to try the 7th generation multi-purpose wipes, and the scent is Garden Mint. It says the scent comes from real ingredients, 0% synthetic fragrances or dyes. And so I went ahead and decided to try this, and it smells good. It just has a true like mint smell to it. almost everything is plant derived. And actually, I think everything is. The only thing that looks synthetic on here is the wipe itself, maybe. Oh wait, but that says it's made out of cotton. So there's your ingredients there. It's probably really, really hard to read, but I'm really excited about these. I don't really love the Clorox wipes because I feel like, one, I don't want bleach on my hands. Not really a huge fan of bleach. So those Clorox wipes, I'm just not a huge fan of them. So I'm really excited to try these. We use these wipes a lot. So these were under $3, I believe. Okay, so from here on out, everything is Mrs. Meyer's and everything is lavender. So yeah, just fair warning. So I'll go ahead and I'll keep going with the cleaning products, and then I'll show you guys what I got in form of body care, which it looks like I got 5 body care items, and then I got 2 home cleaning products. So because on this last Grove shipment that I got last month, I figured out that I really love the Mrs. Meyer's lavender scent. I decided to get a couple more items in it, and so I decided to get this toilet bowl cleaner. It says that it removes stains and freshens surfaces. Hopefully it does that. I'll definitely let you guys know. And on that note, I do plan on doing a review video of last month's products, so be on the lookout for that. But really excited to use this. It's a really good size. It's 24 ounces. So yeah, really excited about that one. Who gets excited about cleaning products? I think I said that on my last video. And then I also decided to get this surface scrub, non-scratching, removes grease. It's just the little powder that that you use on like your bathtub or your sinks or anything like that, in your toilet if you wanted to. And it is 11 ounces. Again, it's in the lavender scent. And I don't think I actually open. It just has that same scent that I love, that lavender scent. So it's really good. I would almost describe the scent of this as like lavender slash almost kind of a blueberry scent to me personally. Some of you guys are probably like, I don't smell the blueberries at all. But I did definitely smell the lavender, but I smell like a lavender blueberry scent. It smells really great. So I got those. So those are all of my actual cleaning products. The rest of these products are body care products. And again, because I love that scent, as weird as this may sound, I love the scent of the cleaning products. And like when I was wiping down the surface of my counters, I thought, this smell smells so good. I wish there was like a way I could get that smell like on my body via like lotion or something like that. And so I checked on the Grove website, and sure enough, they had the lotion. So they have the hand lotion, and they also had the body lotion. So I went ahead and bought both because I have severely dry skin in the wintertime. So bad that my hands like crack and itch and hurt really bad. Whenever I was buying them online, I was kind of curious. I was like, what's the difference in the hand lotion and the body lotion? So in the hand lotion, it's made with shea butter and almond oil, and then just has the lavender scent. And then for the body lotion, it's like a longer lasting moisturizer made with shea butter. So my guess is that this one's a little bit lighter since it's going onto your hands. It's not super greasy, I haven't used them yet. I'll definitely do a review. And then my guess on this is that it's a little bit thicker because it is like a body lotion. So I'm really excited to use these. I have used the hand lotion already. I used it last night when I opened up the box, and it smells really good. The scent is slightly different than the cleaning products in a way like you would think, because it is mixed with like almond oil and shea butter and stuff, but it smells so good. So I love it a lot, and it's not super greasy, the hand lotion that I'm using. So I can't wait to use the body butter. I'll be sure to do a review on that. And I bought the hand soap last time, and I really love it a lot. The scent from the hand soap stays on my hands all day long, I feel like. So I just bought another one of those because we're gonna run out of the other one soon. So I wanted to have a backup. And then the last two items are like shower products. So I got a daily bar soap. It says that it contains olive oil and coconut oil. It says it's aromatherapeutic body care. It's the Meyers Clean All Day. Again, it's in the lavender scent, and it smells super good through the paper here. So I'm really excited to use that. It's just the bar soap. And then I went ahead and I got the body wash as well. It just says body wash moisturizing essential oils. It's a 16-ounce bottle. And if I remember, this was a little bit pricier, but if it works and it leaves me smelling good all day long and it doesn't leave my skin itchy and all that kind of stuff, I am willing to pay a little bit more for products like these. So I'm really, really excited to use these. So that is everything, you guys. Like I said, I'm definitely going to do a review of the products that I got last month, but I wanted to show you guys what I got this month so that I can do a review for these next month. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you were interested in trying Grove Collaborative, I do have a referral code down in the description box below. I would really love it and appreciate it if you would go and use that referral code, because it does help me earn a little bit towards my next purchases. So I'm not sponsored by, but I did want to put it out there that I would receive something for you using that referral code, but I would be very grateful if you would go and you would use it. So thank you guys so much for sticking with me all the way until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.